So Jen and I keep going past the Dreame Technology Store in the UTC Mall, which has some of the coolest technology products, including the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete robot vacuum that has some of the best navigational and suction power we've ever seen on a robot vacuum. But wait, before we go too far, let's show you guys what comes in the box. So very premium packaging, and once you pop the top, the first thing is the quick start guide, followed by the accessory box, which includes a user manual warranty card, which is really cool that the X50 comes with a 5-year warranty. Next, there's the magnetic mopping pads, spare dust collection bag, power cable, floor cleaning solution, and a handy extendable cleaning brush with a hook on the end to easily remove hair from the vacuum brushes, if that's even needed. Then we've got the ramp attachment for the station, which I'll show you in a second, followed by the X50 Ultra itself. So let's take a closer look at that. You can see the Hyperstream Detangling Duo brush on the bottom here. The brushes rotate inward to reduce tangling, which we'll test out in a bit. You can also see the Pro Leap legs here besides the wheels that help the X50 Ultra to climb up over 6-centimeter obstacles. Then of course there's the extendable side brush that helps the X50 Ultra get dirt and debris from corners and hard to reach spots. And then lastly we had to attach the magnetic mopping pads, which is really cool that they come out, so if you're just going to be vacuuming, they just leave them in the station, which is the next thing we took out of the box. I really like the style of this base station. It's got a clean, modern look to it while also being super functional. Up top is where you find the bins for the clean and the dirty water. Then down below is where the dust bag and auto detergent compartments are located. The station will automatically add detergent to the X50 Ultra, making sure it's always ready to tackle tough stains. With the X50 Ultra and station ready to go, I'm excited to see what it can do. So the first cool feature I want to show you is the Pro Leap system. Now we set up a little obstacle course because we don't have a big threshold in this area right here for the X50 Ultra to go over. And what the Pro Leap system does is it features robotic, retractable legs, which lift the chassis, allowing the robot to navigate complex terrain like door sills and small steps. This advanced system prevents the vacuum from getting stuck, ensuring seamless and efficient cleaning. As you can see, this little 1-inch obstacle that we put in its course is no match for the X50 Ultra's abilities. The integrated shock absorption system prevents harsh collisions and keeps noise level impressively low, providing quiet, efficient cleaning in every environment. Another great feature is the VersaLift navigation system. VersaLift elevates the robot vacuum's DTOF, or direct time of flight LiDAR system, for 360-degree scanning, which is fantastic when you're talking about obstacle avoidance or obstacle circumvention. To get the best view, you want that DTOF higher to see everywhere in the room. Even when I throw something in its way while it's cleaning, it automatically stops and avoids that obstacle using that 360 DTOF with the AI sensor and completely avoids all obstacles. Now, in my opinion, you probably want to clean your house up a little better than we did here, but it's nice to know that it has such good obstacle avoidance and circumvention. But it can also lower the DTOF and use advanced camera and intelligent algorithms to avoid obstacles in low-to-ground spaces, such as under sofas, beds, and even a coffee bar. The X50 Ultra uses auxiliary lighting, illuminates the area, and captures RGB images, creating a 3D perception for precise navigation. This is really ideal for complex layouts as it maps and cleans narrow passages and avoids obstacles effortlessly, which is really useful for people that are hesitant to get under these hard-to-reach areas. So between the Pro Leap system and the VersaLift navigation, the X50 Ultra is really an all-terrain robot vehicle. Now, at the heart of the Dreame X50 Ultra is its 6th-generation Turbo Force motor, a powerhouse spinning at up to 90,000 RPM. That's the secret behind its 20,000 pascals of Vormax suction, strong enough to pull dust, crumbs, pet hair, and even cat litter from deep inside floor gaps. And this isn't just raw power, it's smart engineering. Dreame redesigned its internal rotor electromagnet system, boosting speed by 50% over last generation while optimizing the gear ratio to cut down low-frequency noise. The translation is you get stronger suction without the roar. The fan blades themselves are inspired by the Swift, yes, the bird, slender in shape, thicker in the middle, and tapered at the sides. This aerodynamic wing system improves airflow, reduces drag, and even lowers noise by 3 decibels. And it doesn't stop there. A smart, field-oriented control system gives the motor superior intelligence, maintaining constant speed, adjusting instantly to debris, and keeping the ride smooth and steady with full feedback control. The result of all this is industry-leading suction that outperforms the competition, yet quiet enough for everyday cleaning, whether it's dust, pet hair, or food crumbs. Now, besides amazing suction power, we also have to talk about another cool feature in the Hyperstream Detangling Duo brush. Unlike traditional single brushes, the Duo brush works in opposite directions, ensuring any missed debris is swept away again by the second brush, making it clean more thoroughly, especially on carpets. The X50 Ultra also has a bristled brush, which is more effective at cleaning gaps and crevices in the floor. And when cleaning carpet with the dual brush tapping, both brushes tap the carpet simultaneously, providing a deep clean. And lastly, the X50 Ultra auto detects the floor type for an adjusted brush speed. Powered by ultrasonic sensors, the brush speed is adjusted based on the floor type. 1,000 RPMs for hard floor and 1,200 RPMs for carpets, enhancing cleaning power where needed most. But raw power is only half the story. After all, the toughest messes often hide where suction alone can't reach. And that's where Dreame takes cleaning to the next level, with intelligent systems designed to handle every edge, corner, and perimeter of your home. Corners and edges are the hardest places for any robot vacuum, but not for the Dreame X50 Ultra. Thanks to its dual flex arm side brush, it doesn't just spin, it extends and lifts. That means it can reach into tight corners and under furniture for a true edge-to-edge clean. And when the job's done, the brush actually lifts over 10 millimeters to avoid dragging dirt into freshly cleaned areas. And on the mopping side, Dreame brings another breakthrough with the Mop Extend Robo Swing technology. The robot doesn't just glide straight, it actually swings and twists, reaching as far as 4 centimeters deeper into corners and edges. That's the kind of detailed cleaning that gets into those tricky nooks under your appliances or along your baseboards. So with the dual flex arm and the Mop Extend Robo Swing, the X50 Ultra doesn't leave a single corner untouched. But Dreame didn't stop with what happens on the floor, because the real magic happens once the robot returns home. The X50 Ultra's base station handles all the essential maintenance automatically, emptying dust, refilling water, and preparing the robot for its next cleaning session. And the Ace Clean Dry Board takes mop cleaning and drying to the next level. Unlike earlier docks that relied on cold or lukewarm water, the X50 Ultra's Ace Clean Dry Board blasts your mop pads with 80 degrees Celsius hot water through 20 precision spray nozzles. This isn't just a rinse, it breaks down stuck-on stains, greasy residue, and bacteria more effectively than ever. The Washboard 2.0 design ensures full surface contact and includes a suction port that pulls away dirty water, leaving the dry board spotless and odor-free. Plus, specialized UV lamps help eliminate up to 99.98% of bacteria, ensuring both the mop and dust bags stay hygienic. And the dock doesn't just clean, it refills water, dispenses cleaning solution, and empties the dustbin, all fully automated. It's pretty crazy that you can go up to 100 days without touching the dock. And as you may now expect in 2025, the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete is fully supported by the Dreame Home app, which serves as the main control center for the robot. Through the app, users can create and customize maps of their home, set no-go zones, and schedule cleanings on specific days and times. It also provides the ability to choose between cleaning modes, whether focusing on vacuuming, mopping, or a combination of both, so the robot can adapt to different flooring types and household needs. Real-time monitoring lets you see the robot's progress during a cleaning session, while notifications keep you updated when it returns to the base station or needs attention. Beyond scheduling and mapping, the app gives you direct control over the advanced features we've discussed. You can adjust the suction power to take full advantage of the Vortex motor, fine-tune the dual flex arm side brushes for corners, or enable Mop Extend Robo Swing for deeper edge clean. The app also manages the base station functions, including mop washing, drying cycles, and water tank refills. In short, the Dreame Home app ties together the hardware innovations of the X50 Ultra, making them accessible through an intuitive interface that simplifies setup and everyday use. What really makes the Dreame X50 Ultra stand out is how it helps keep our home consistently clean without having to think about it. In the kitchen, it picks up crumbs and spills right after meals, so we're not constantly sweeping or worrying about sticky floors. In the living room, it quietly lifts dust, pet hair, and dirt from carpets and hardwood floors alike, keeping the space welcoming for guests or just relaxing after a long day. And in the dining room, it gets under chairs and along corners where dust and crumbs tend to accumulate. Having the X50 Ultra around means our home feels tidier every day, and the clean surfaces are noticeable the moment you walk in. It's the kind of everyday convenience that really makes a difference in maintaining a comfortable lived-in home. Now, one feature we don't personally use every day is the Pro Leap system. Man, I wish we had more difficult thresholds for the X50 Ultra to show off its leaping ability. But if that's an issue that you guys may need to overcome, let me know in the comments. Do you think that's the best feature of the X50 Ultra, or is it something like the Vormax Suction, Mop Extend Robo Swing, or the Ace Clean Base Station? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you'd like to see the X50 Ultra in action or to learn more, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.